One of the hallmarks of aging is loss of muscle, and this is unfortunately very visible in our face. Now, as these muscles deteriorate, the overlying tissue is starting to sag and wrinkles are forming. And this is unfortunately accelerated in our latest craze for GLP-1 agonists, which certainly can cause some weight loss, but also unfortunately muscle loss and connective tissue loss at an accelerated rate. So to compensate for this, many people opt to do facial filler injections. That's of course a temporary and quite expensive fix. There's also some risks associated with this. I think the better way to go about this is to rebuild the muscle that you're losing. And this is difficult in the face. Now for your body, you go to the gym, you optimize your protein intake, you train with heavy weights. But what do you do in your face? Now to effectively train and rebuild the muscles of your face, you need a very profound resistance. And one way to do this is with this device here, the Facelifter. This is something that I developed and patented. It's a device that sits between your rear teeth. It has these silicone pads that provide a very high resistance. And you slowly compress these pads between the rear teeth, hold for about 10 seconds and slowly let go. And you do repetitions with this for about 2 minutes a day. Now this stimulus allows the structural muscles of your face, including the masseter here, so the muscles that form your jawline, to rebuild to the shape they had in younger years. Now using this device is quite simple. It has an adjustable screw here, so you can adjust the width here depending on your bite. And then you just insert it and let it comfortably sit between your rear teeth where you can produce a lot of pressure and then do these very slow exercises. I mean, again, very, very slow repetitions, compressing, holding for 10 seconds and letting go. They're very difficult to see, but I'm going to demonstrate right now. That was about 3 repetitions, a bit accelerated. So you want to do it very, very slowly. And you're going to feel a very profound fatigue of this muscle. You're going to feel like you actually pump that muscle. You feel that this muscle is working. And that's exactly the goal of this exercise. Now, when you think of our diet today, the standard American diet is very soft foods. We don't really chew hard foods anymore. And beyond chewing hard foods, this exercise here is much more profound than that. But the lack of chewing is actually one of the issues why our jaws are shrinking. And you see more and more children now needing braces because our jaws cannot accommodate all our teeth. So our teeth become crowded and therefore we need braces to stretch that out again and allow for more space. And again, one main reason is the way we're eating. We're not really exercising these muscles on a daily basis. So one thing is in the developing stages, so I have my children use these. Of course, you want to always talk to your pediatrician and dentist before you give a device like this even to your teenagers. But it's one of the things that can really help in developing that jaw better. And then as a grown-up to prevent muscle loss, but also for overall health of your gums and teeth, it's actually good to have exercises where you chew a bit harder, of course, within reason. If you have any abnormalities like TMJ or anything like that, of course, discuss this, of course, first with your treating physician or dentist. Now, as a caveat here, we did a study and I had some participants that had TMJ, so temporal mandibular joint disorder, and they were using the device and had actually very good results, actually improved their condition. However, this is a contraindication when you read the disclaimer on the device, so this is always, of course, at your own risk. We don't have sufficient data to really make a statement here that this is something to be used in this population, and that's why the disclaimer is on there. So again, as with anything, if there's any abnormalities here in terms of your jaw, your teeth, discuss with the professional first, of course. But compensating for the muscle loss or atrophy during the natural aging process, or again, unfortunately accelerated through newer injectable weight loss medications, is a very profound way to reverse aging. And doing this regularly, you're going to see the muscles regain their shape, overlying tissues are tightening and wrinkles are decreasing. So this is a very easy and profound way to make your face look younger.